In today's video, I'm going to walk you step by step through how to access the Data Science and AI Principles course on Harvard directly from the official Harvard website. If you're looking to upgrade your skills in data science, artificial intelligence, and business strategy with a globally recognized credential, this guide is for you. I'll show you exactly where to find the course, how to enroll, and how the payment process works, all in a simple and beginner-friendly way. Before we jump in, make sure to hit the like button if you find this helpful, and subscribe to the channel for more software, education, and online learning tutorials just like this. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head to Google, or any search engine you prefer. In the search bar, type Data Science and AI Principles Course Harvard, and press Enter. Look for the official Harvard website in the search results. This is important because you always want to make sure you're enrolling through Harvard's official platform and not a third-party site. Once you find the correct result, click on it to open the course page. On the course page, take a moment to review the details. You'll see an overview explaining what the course covers, who it's designed for, and what skills you'll gain by the end. This course focuses on data science and artificial intelligence principles, with insights taught by Harvard faculty, making it ideal for professionals, students, and business leaders who want to understand how AI and data-driven decision-making apply in real-world scenarios. Scroll down to check the curriculum, course duration, and any prerequisites listed. When you're ready to move forward, look for the Enroll button on the page. Click on Enroll, and you'll be prompted to either sign in or create an account. If you already have a Harvard or edX account, simply log in using your existing credentials. If not, follow the on-screen instructions to create a new account using your email address. After signing in, you'll be taken to the payment section. Here, you can review the course price, payment options, and any available financial assistance or installment plans. Choose your preferred payment method, enter your payment details, and complete the transaction. Once payment is successful, you'll gain full access to the Data Science and AI Principles course materials. Next, I'll show you how to access another popular program, the Healthcare Strategy course on Harvard. This is especially useful if you're interested in understanding how business strategy aligns with the healthcare industry in the United States. Go back to your search engine and type Healthcare Strategy course Harvard. Again, make sure to click on the official Harvard website link from the search results. Once the Healthcare Strategy course page opens, read through the description carefully. In this course, Harvard Business School faculty teach learners how to align business strategy with the challenges, regulations, and structures of the U.S. healthcare industry. This makes it a great option for professionals working in healthcare, consulting, management, or policy-related roles. Scroll through the course information to understand what's included, then click on the Enroll button when you're ready. Just like before, you'll be asked to sign into your account if you're not already logged in. After that, proceed to the payment page, review the pricing, and complete the payment process. Once your payment is confirmed, you'll have access to the Healthcare Strategy course content, including lectures, case studies, and assignments designed by Harvard Business School faculty. You can start learning right away or go at your own pace, depending on the course structure. And that's it. You now know exactly how to access and enroll in the Data Science and AI Principles course on Harvard, as well as the Healthcare Strategy course, step by step. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow guides like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.